Let's see how to compare two documents in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word and we want to have another document, which is the new document, to be able to compare the two of them. And so here we have our original document named as template. And right here, we have our new document named as template new with revisions. So we'll quickly do some revisions, such as erase a few paragraphs. And let's rename this. Let's call it results and discussion. There we go. Going back to the new document, and as well as update this field. So let's update table, and that will automatically update the table for us. And what we can do is to head over to the old document named template, go to the review tab and click on compare right here. And here you have the option to combine or to compare the two documents. So right now we want to compare them, and let's just browse for our document named template and the revised document named template new. And okay. And right here, we'll see a new Microsoft Word window pop up. So up here on the right is our original document or the old document, and at the bottom is the new document. And here in the middle, we'll see the changes and comparisons between the two. So as you can see, since we updated the table, it shows all the differences between them, as well as the paragraph that we deleted and the heading that we renamed. And that is how you compare two documents in Microsoft Word. See you soon!